everybody, Wondershare 2020 here, back with another video. Today, this is the live event today, happening on, today is Saturday for me, and this is when the live event happens. I think it got about 18-50 minutes. I don't know, we're about to find out here. But everybody's thinking Tilted Towers and Retail Row is going to be gone out of Fortnite. Hopefully that is not true. If that happens, I'm going to be extremely mad. We got 14 minutes left, but also the unvaulting is going to happen, which you vote for a weapon you want to unvault, and the weapon I'm personally going to pick is the Tommy gun, or the drum gun is what they call it, and hopefully that's what's going to get unvaulted, because that's my favorite gun, and that would be amazing. And thanks so much for all the support. I'm over 400 views now in total, and I want to give a shout out to, he's a famous YouTuber, Unspeakable. He is the, wait, I just completely messed up. Forgive me for that. I don't know why I said Unspeakable. I was going to give a shout out to, my friend, Mason and Ray's Game Time. I told him he needs to start making higher quality videos, so hopefully he'll start doing that, and then you'll enjoy his videos more. But yeah, and I want to give him a shout out. He's making some good quality videos. He's about to buy the same thing I'm using to record mine, which is a USB 3.0 SanDisk. That's personally what I use. And so he can make better quality videos. And his YouTube channel is capital S, lowercase e, capital A, R, and space, capital R, and then lowercase just E-B-E-L, Sphere Rebel. And go subscribe to him and show him some support, and that would be amazing, and he would definitely be thankful for that. And I want to say thanks for all the support I've been getting, and this intro's been like 2 minutes long, so that's the end of the video. Alright. Can't wait for it to happen. And make sure to go check out my friend Landon, who's in match with me right now. I'm gonna be honest right here, obviously I'll just skip until like the unvaulting and all that happens, because right now at the very beginning of this video it's not gonna be like too amazing. I'm basically just like running around and stuff, trying to kill people, I guess, kind of just waiting for the timer to run out. So if I was y'all, I'd probably would just skip till later on into the video. We got 11 minutes and 23 seconds left. Everybody else is getting pumps. I can't get a pump. Like I said in my intro though, I really want the Tommy gun to definitely get unvaulted. That's my favorite gun, hands down. And I want to say something. You know how there's quality in settings on YouTube, right? Well, when the video first comes out, I think it's like 480p, which isn't the best quality. But go to the settings on the video, which has the 3 dots. You should tap on it like you're going to pause, and look at the 3 dots if you're on phone or anything. 3 dots, and go to quality, and change it to the highest quality. That's like 720p. 720, yeah, I think it's 720p, which is like HD quality. I just want to put that out there, because some people might not know how to do that, and they're keeping it at like 480p, which isn't the best quality. So I suggest y'all do that for better quality on my videos. And the USB thing's supposed to have 1080p. I don't think that's the thing. Yeah, there's no way I could have won that. Unless I would have had a sniper and like crouched up or something real quick and sniped him in the face. But yeah, if you want to see another point of view of this, go check out Landon's channel. Sphere Rebel, like I said. Their channel is going to be in the link description. you can tap on that if y'all would like. And Ray Mason's Game Time channel has 17 subscribers, but Landon only has 1 subscriber, which is me. I'm not trying to be mean to him or anything, but I'm his only subscriber. So y'all need to go show him some support. He just made a montage like a few days ago, and he should be posting this video also today, the same day I'm posting mine. So make sure you go check out his channel. That default skin actually just got my dual pistols. Are you joking me? Are you kidding me? Are you joking me? Are you kidding me? I'm concerned about what if we get to 200? Before the timer goes out, will it kick us out? We're not going to be able to vote. Oh, 8 minutes left. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Let's go. I'm excited. I do not want Tilted to go. That's my favorite place to land. I don't want to get high kill games. Because if Tilted goes, I'm going to be so mad. Because supposedly I watched this video not too long ago about a link. Supposedly Tilted and Retail are both getting destroyed by the volcano eruption. Which is going to be terrible. And I have a video I'm going to post tomorrow. Me and my friend Landon, the one I'm playing with right now in this game, we made this 1v1 map or whatever, which I'm sure y'all would enjoy seeing that. We're gonna kind of showcase it. Then in another video we're gonna like use it and stuff and 1v1 on it. I'm probably gonna do a showcase video tomorrow, and then the next day do the what is it? 1v1. I'm kind of tired right now. Comment down below what gun you would want in Vaulted in the description below, because I'm curious of what y'all picked. Because y'all, I've already picked it, but 7 minutes left. Let's go. So excited. If the volcano is going to destroy something, don't let it be Tilted. Tilted's my favorite place to go. Leave me alone. Why does everybody have shotguns? I don't have a shotgun. Which I'm not really looking for guns, but still. I need a shotgun. That would be amazing. Oh yeah, so much in this video. Comment down below if you're enjoying the content so far and the quality in these videos. Hopefully y'all are. Hopefully. Shadow bombs. Comment down below what's your thoughts on the shadow bombs, because honestly I love the shadow bombs. They're a pretty good item. I made him stop his treasure. I want to see if I can bolt with him, but I can stop again. If he's gonna use it. Oh dang, I hear somebody. How did he kill me? I shot him in the face so many times. That doesn't make any sense right there. That's so stupid. That doesn't make any sense. Don't take that minigun. That's what I thought. I thought he was gonna take that minigun. 5 minutes, 5 seconds left, Landon. That's about to start. Can't wait. y'all have started a YouTube channel, and who inspired you to do YouTube? Because doing YouTube isn't the easiest thing, because you're kind of stressed out, having to try to make videos and edit the videos. It's kind of stressful a little bit, but it's not that overwhelming. I know I'm split this way. I have to put a good split. Guy right here. He dead. I was going to say that that's a lobby, but it's respawn. 3 minutes. 43. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. That's not quick. I wonder if I'm getting kills with quickness. Everybody has got to redeploy this. I don't think it's gonna happen. Unless somehow. Oh, figure it out. Got to force me to use 50 of them that fast. I wish it would. Oh, it's broken. Well, I'm getting kills off of that. I have 2 kills off of that. How? Oh, I got 2 kills off freezing that. That's weird. How the heck do you not, like... I don't know, have God redeploys left? I must sit right here and wait. Never mind! Gosh dang. Go invisible. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Yep, he's dead. That was easy. Too easy. 2 minutes left. I cannot wait. It's gonna be exciting. Let's see if this event is gonna show. Dang it. Got me. Whew. People, stop killing each other, please. We're at 167. My team is. And I do not want to get to 200 before this event starts. I wish it made it. I wish this was like where you can't kill each other and you're just waiting for the event to happen. That would be better. Probably not. Better sound this one friendly. 1 minute 30. 8 or 7. Yeah, 135. Okay. We're almost at 200. I don't want to back out of the game though to get into another one because I'm afraid I'm not going to be able to get into it in time. People, stop killing each other, please. Do not get to 200 before the timer ends. Got 115. We're at 179. 180. No, 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 no. Stop killing each other, people. Please, 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 please. No, we need 20 more. 19 more. 1 minute, 3, 2, 1. What the heck? Oh, it's a weird guns. You can't shoot each other now. That's awesome. Now I just gotta sit here and wait and be patient. Just gotta be patient. I'm gonna say another song first. And then wait to see what happens. Oh no, I'm so tired. No clue. $23, $22, $21, $20, $19, $18, $17, $16, $15, $14, $13. Oh, I just skipped. 10. Wait, what the heck? It's skipping. I skipped by 2. Okay. 2, 1, 0. Nothing's happening. Nothing gonna happen? I'm going down here wherever else is at. Just a second. Oh, everything's shutting off. Oh, it's like opening. What? I'm not doing it. What am I doing? I'm falling. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know if that's it. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is where we pick what we want to pick. How do I pick what I want, though? I'm confused. Do I gotta whack it? It won't do anything. Do I have to go over here? I don't know. I'm just gonna whack it. It's not doing anything, though. I want the Tommy gun. I like the Tommy gun. I don't know how to pick it, though. Where's our desk? Can you go inside of this? No, it's like a barrier. You can't hit it either. I don't get how to pick something. People are picking the planes. Oh, yeah, I'm guessing you have to hit it, because everybody's whacking it. I'm gonna join in. The Tommy gun has to win. Is there like a meter or something? Wait, is that the meter? That purple? Oh, that is! That's how! Okay. That purple meter. I didn't know how to. I thought you had to like go and like vote or something. I don't know. Like go whack it once or something, and that's what you pick. I think it's whoever gets to the top. Yeah, it's whoever gets to the top first. I'm pretty sure this is gonna win. TAC SMG and Tommy gun are like even. I don't know. The Tommy gun has way more people hitting it, so I think Tommy gun's definitely gonna win this. Like I said, comment down below which one you would pick. And hopefully Tommy gun wins. I do not want airplane to win. If airplanes come back, I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. I'm just gonna cry in a pillow. I do not want airplanes coming back. I don't think anybody does. Or the infantry sword. I almost called it infantry sword. Infantry sword. It's cracking now. I think it's about to get full. It's cracking. Is it gonna like shatter or something? And then, but like, even if Tommy gun does win this one, it doesn't mean it's gonna win the whole thing. There's still more people in different games that are voting. But hopefully Tommy gun wins. Yeah, it's about to crack. Wait, how far are we? Oh, the meter's way up there. Yeah, we're winning. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we're winning. TAC is still like the same thing it was earlier. Oh, yep, we're about to win. Let's go. I love the Tommy gun. It has such a gigantic clip in it, and it does so much damage. It's about to be at the top. Let's go. Can't wait to see this come back to the game. Hopefully everybody else is picking this same thing too. Wait, we got it. We did it. The drum gun. It's coming back to Fortnite, hopefully. Hopefully it is. Oh, what's it? It just shot off in the sky. It's a rocket. Is that about to explode? Oh, we're like going back to the world or something, I'm guessing? On the island? What's going on? Oh! Is this where the volcano erupts? I think this is where the volcano erupts. Total Towers is still there. Oh, it hasn't erupted yet. It's about to. Oh my gosh! It's erupting. No! Please don't go to Tilted. Please don't go to Tilted. It's erupting. Is that the only one? Wait, that's one of the retail. We just destroyed the retail. Okay, please let there be no more. It's erupting everywhere. I'm gonna protect you, Tilted. Don't worry. No! It's going to Tilted. Don't worry, Tilted. I'm coming to protect you. No! No! Wait, it's going past something. Oh! It didn't say anything about no links about it going there. I think I'm wrong. Is that all of them? No. No! That's going to Tilted. Don't worry, Tilted. I'm gonna protect you. No! No! Tilted! No! Tilted! No! It's gone. It just got destroyed. Tilted's gone. Oh my gosh. That is destroyed Tilted. It's gone. Are you kidding me? The best place on the map to get kills, it's gone. I hate Epic Games so much. I hate it so much. Stupid Epic Games. I can't believe it. They're actually taking it. Why? Why Tilted? Why not like Pleasant Park? Even though I love Pleasant Park, I would rather have Pleasant Park be taken away. than Tilted Towers. Tilted Towers is the best. That's like an OG spot though. Why? Oh, that's so stupid. I wonder what's gonna happen in season 9. Whoa, it's a glitch. I'm invisible. Why am I invisible? Look. I'm invisible and I'm like, still like acting like I have the smoke on. I'm like jumping around and stuff. That's weird. This thing is glitch. I'm like jumping around and stuff. Oh, we won. I don't even care. That take out Tilted like that, I'm so mad. Epic Games, I hate you so much. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe please. Every sub equals a prayer for Tilted. Hopefully you have a nice day. Peace.